everyone! Today is a huge day. I am trying makeup for the very first time for the royal ball.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but let's get glamorous. Watch until the end to see the final look.
Whee! Ha ha ha! Whee!
Is this how humans do it? It tickles!
Achoo! Cute squeak! Like a peach.
Which one matches my red hair? Let's go with coral.
Pop.
Gloria. The look is complete.